Okay. Pretty nice spot. Bus isn't exactly level, but being that I have a residential fridge and freezer, doesn't really matter for the appliances. Doesn't really bother me. It's not too far off. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Some neighbors here and there. Looks like they got an overland vehicle probably here for the expo. Pretty nice. So it is a little rocky getting back in these spots, but it's hard packed. Rather have that than not have any rocks. Getting out might be a little tricky. I wonder if I can just back into that spot and go out the way I came in. Just avoid this area. I'll probably be here for a couple days. See if Anna can come up here and do the video tour up here somewhere. And the expo for general admission starts Friday. Today's Wednesday. I'm gonna check in, see what's happened with the internet. Just now, my phone didn't have any reception, and the Wi-Fi, it's showing 4 bars. It didn't really do anything. So we'll see. Well, good news. We have internet. The thing is, I already took my shoes off. I'm gonna shower real quick before it gets too chilly out. I think it's gonna get cold tonight. Won't be using the iMac too much, just because it does take a decent amount of power. It takes about the same amount of power as my fridge, believe it or not. And the reason why I'm gonna be careful with that is these trees are gonna be blocking out the solar for part of the day. With that in mind, I'm gonna have to be a little cautious in my power, nothing crazy. So I'm gonna shut the iMac down. I got a new laptop while I was in California filming for Tiny Home Tours. Basically, just get all the media off that, then back up what's on the iMac right now onto my new MacBook Pro. Kobe's just ate. He thoroughly enjoyed his bison meat and his food. I'll show you what I did. So I ended up taking the SIM card out of my phone and putting it into the PepWave, which is the booster. So without any boost, my phone had 1 bar to no service. It kept going in and out, where when I popped it in there, it was 4 bars LTE and the internet super fast. So far that's been an awesome investment. I canceled my Verizon chip. That was about $200 a month. I've heard Verizon has a $65 unlimited plan right now if you pay out of your checking account. So I'm gonna get that. And then I have an unlimited AT&T as well. So once I get that new Verizon, I'll have AT&T and Verizon that I can use, as well as backup. When I get in spots like this, I can just use my T-Mobile, and then I have all the internet that I need. I'm just gonna get some work done tonight. Shower right now, get some work done, and we will catch you all tomorrow. Kobe's and I will probably do some exploring out here. On the review, somebody said that they woke up around 4:35 and there was a bunch of elk outside of the rig in the morning. So that'd be cool to see. But thanks for watching. Appreciate all of you out there. We'll catch you later. Well, good morning, everybody. It is 2 days after the last time I filmed. All day yesterday, just got all my files on the iMac and my laptop all organized. Shot a video with Anna and her van. Recorded a podcast with her as well. Now Kobe's and I are getting ready to head into Flagstaff and go to the expo. So that's gonna be a little bit tricky getting that figured out. Kobuk has definitely been enjoying it out here. We've been running around a lot, checking stuff out, hiking a little bit. Basically, what I'm doing right now with the GoPro is setting it up next to the road, kind of showing you how I'm gonna maneuver out. I got a little bit of a game plan figured out right now, where if I just went forward up this way, it's really, really rocky. So what I'm gonna do is back into this spot and then just come up this way, and then hopefully be able to maneuver this right-hand turn. So I actually came in that way, went down through here, which that was fairly rocky as well. I just think the bus would be fine either way. It is pretty stout going over some of these different roads, but the parking at the event, so it's sold out. I don't even think rigs like mine can fit in there. They do have parking at Northern Arizona University, that's here in Flagstaff. I looked on the satellite images of the campus, and it looks like they do have a bus parking area. It's like for their shuttle buses or whatever. School's out right now, so I'm hoping that I can just back the bus into one of those spots, park it there, and then just come back and forth. You know, spend my nights out here, go into town during the days, get a shuttle in. So another thing with Kobuk, I might have to convince a shuttle driver to let Kobuk on, or I might just have to tip an Uber or a Lyft rideshare person $10 or something to let me bring Kobuk. I'm gonna bring a towel, not a towel, but a blanket, so we can put it in the back seat, but we're gonna see how it goes. You know what? After looking at it, I mean, this road is definitely better. There's no question about it. But after I back up through there, I'm just trying to figure out if it's worth just going over the rocks just to have that right turn angle. Because over here, it gets pretty bad over there. Whereas if I stay to the left, may even hug the grass here, then go over. I think I might just do that. I mean, as you can see, the clearance on the bus is massive. New shocks, leaf springs are rebent, so the suspension can handle it. I think I might just go this way. Kobe's, let's go. Everything's all locked down, buttoned down. Should be good. Hey, let's go. Okay. Kobe's likes it here. Couch. Good boy. So Kobe's and I took about a mile and a half hike today, looking at the other spots further down. This one definitely is the most rocky one, but it is the easiest to get in and out of. And when I leave today, who knows if someone's going to take this spot, especially with the expo this weekend. Definitely seen a couple overland vehicles. But let's try and get out of here. Flagstaff.
Got a bad feeling heading. I've got a bad feeling heading my bones. Got a bad feeling. Well, ask me what you wanna tell you, just what I know. Seems trouble's always chasing. Seems trouble's always some dog in my soul. If trouble wants you, trouble's gonna find you there wherever you go.
Alright, so it turns out the parking lot that I saw was the biggest, it's not the one they're filling up first. So the guy said, and we'll see, that they'll have plenty of parking down there for rigs my size. About a half mile down the road, so here we go.
On East Pine Knoll Drive for a half mile. All right.
How's it going, bub?
All the way in the back.
Cool, thank you. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, bud.
I like it.
Yeah, thanks, bud. Well, we are going to see how I'm going to get Kobuk over there. Just going to go, they look like they have a little booth over here. Going to go see how strict that dog policy is on the shuttle, and odds are I'm just gonna have to get the Lyft or Uber. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I'm excited to get there, see some friends. I know some friends that are there already. It'd be cool to meet new people. I mean, just in this parking lot alone, the amount of rigs that are here. I mean, definitely tons of people enjoying this lifestyle. More of the 4x4s like this. I think this is a Sportsmobile, or that's a really nice one. It's like a 4x4 pop top. Definitely gonna see some cool rigs. I'm bringing my gimbal as well as my DSLR just in case I do any tours there, but we'll see how that goes. So, good news, as you can see, we are on the bus. Just checked in and they said it's dog friendly. So we're just hanging out at the back of the bus and heading to the expo. We made it to the Overland Expo. Tons and tons of rigs. I'm just gonna go explore, check everything out for a bit. Show you some of these spots. So over here behind me right now is the adventure course. Looks like Range Rover actually sponsored it, where people can drive rigs off-road, get some training. Pretty cool. Just got my first tour done of the day. This right here is like a Sportsmobile corner, and then surrounding it's people that have their own Sportsmobiles. So they paid for them to come here. But I just did a video with the president of this awesome rig. I've had a hard time getting B-roll because everybody wanted to check it out. So this is actually a 2019. They took a forward front and did a fiberglass back. That thing is an absolute monster right there. So just did that video, and now Kobuk and I are going to go explore. So this place is actually way, way bigger than I anticipated. This is one corner of it. So this is the northwest corner. So Sportsmobile is all the way back there. This is all different vans in this area. And then that's all gear right up there. It's insane.
I've got a bad feeling hurting my bones. I've got a bad feeling. You'll ask me what you want, to tell you just what I know. Seems trouble's always chasing. Seems trouble's always some dog in my soul. If trouble wants you, trouble's gonna find you.